As you can see, it's worth having a suite just for the view. Housekeeping is every third day, but this is a remarkable place to have a view. Not only have you got amazing sunrises and sunsets, and I'll try and film some of them for you, but yesterday, that's the general direction of Cape Canaveral. One of the SpaceX rockets took off from there. I didn't quite catch it with a camera, but it took off there and you had almost a view from that. It's about 60 miles away, but it lit up the whole sky. You've got full control of the heat of your room, which you don't always have in these suites, whether it's some heat this time of year in January or you've got full air conditioning. You've got 2 tellies. They are very low res if you're particularly going to be watching telly on holiday. I know a lot of people aren't. Parking is free. There's a multi-storey and some flat area. You are literally on iDrive, so you can walk to lots of things. I think there are free shuttle buses, but I did hear someone in reception trying to find out where they were. Maybe they are seasonal. You're very close to all the theme parks here, and you can almost see from the other side of the hotel the giant Volcano Bay, the water park of Universal. You've got a safe there, and at the moment in 2023 there is a continental breakfast included free, and that has pancake making machine, toasters. It's very carby, to be honest. There's hot eggs, muffins, cereals, that sort of stuff, but it's certainly enough to start you off on the day. And there are very few hotels that actually give you a breakfast at the moment in Orlando's. You can count them on one hand. So in the suite there are 2 double beds, and you've also got this one, which I haven't attempted it, but somehow it converts into another bed. Just ask reception for the extra bed linen. And you've got a kitchenette, so you've got a fridge, a funny little hob thing there. You have to ask for the little coffee machine or if you want to make tea. It comes with absolutely nothing. There are no pots and pans, there's no cups and saucers, knives. You just have to ask reception for all that, and within 10 minutes they're up here fitting it all out for you. We're on the 5th floor and it's very quiet. The only thing you occasionally hear is the bing bong, because we're next door to the lifts. You sometimes hear that, but not anything to get annoyed about. So if you're looking for a mid-priced hotel, or you really want to have a suite and be close to the parks, be very careful if you're booking villas. They tend to be at Haines City and Davenport, which is about a mile down the I-4. And if you're new to Florida, the I-4 is like a very, very slow M25. You're going to sit on it the whole of your holiday. You really don't want to have to use the I-4. You can try and duck round some of it with toll roads, but really you want to be up on iDrive. You want to be above it so you can get to the parks without having to touch the blessed I-4. There are ice machines on every floor, and there are laundry on several floors. A washing machine load is going to be 4 quarters, it's going to cost you $1, and the tumble dryer is also 4 quarters. There doesn't appear to be any way to vend the sort of fabric conditioner and your washing powder, so you have to nip to Dollar Tree and get that, or bring that with you if that's going to be important to stay on top of your laundry while you're on holiday. And as you may have guessed, this is the bathroom. So towels now are replaced every 3 days when the maids are in. If you're at the pool, it has its own towels that you can use down there. I really hope you found that useful. Please like, share and subscribe, and come back every day for my channel for a bit more fun. Certainly got another week and a half in the States. There's a lot of things we're going to be filming while we're out here. If you've got any questions, then leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best.